Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoka. Ucoach waseRwanda bafethu complaina ngoNtwari ne-situation yakhe yalaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs and esekhulume ukuthi maningi kakhulu ama-team afuna uNtwari, yinto engizoyikhava and then enye engizoyikhava ukuthi uDr Kaizer Motaung ukutheni ukuthe ama-fans abaluleke kangakanani ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ngaphandle kwawo ama-fans ayikho bafethu i-Kaizer Chiefs. And nale team lezodlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs i-AS Simba bafethu ifuna ukuyiwina le game, bakhipha i-statement bathi bacela wonke ama-fans eze stadium bahlangane because this is just bigger than i-football team kuphela i-history yabo, ngoba bafuna ukuqualify kuma-group stage competition ye-CAF Confederations Cup. And then so cover iMamelodi Sundowns ilendile laphana eNigeria, ne-Orlando Pirates nayo is expected ukuthi izolenda elokhunjana eCongo nayo la izodlala khona overall. Asiqaleni-ke ngeza kaNtwari bafethu goalkeeper we-Kaizer Chiefs laphana. The keeper has been out for some time but simbonile ebuya ku-Carling Knockout and udlalile against iBafana Bafana la concede khona amagoli awu-3. I-national coach yakhe bafethu angazi ngathi i-agent yakhe kunini ikhuluma ngayo, njalo iyakhuluma ngayo. Nasi statement uthi ama-team amaningi ayambuza ayamcontact-a noma akhuluma naye about ulokhunjani uNtwari, ukuthi ayamfuna uNtwari, but uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ifuna imali eningi kakhulu. Uthi kumele sibe realistic, kusho ukuthi njengoba thi kumele sibe realistic, uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayehlise i-price tag ukuthi i-accommodate lama-team lawa afuna uNtwari, because uNtwari siyazi ukuthi u-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu for isikhathi eside akakwazanga ukuvimba, it's just ubuye nje recently futhi nakhona ku-Carling Knockout. I mean for almost a year angavimbi ku-Kaizer Chiefs, i-market value yakhe kusho ukuthi idropile, but isikhumbule ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs yamsayina around 5 million from i-TS Galaxy, so ifuna leyo mali yabo back. So ama-teams ayamfuna yes, ama-teams waseTanzania, and kwasho yena lo coach lo, by the way, asazi noma uyamarket noma wenzani, but kuye kwaphuma ama-report wathi uyanga yaseTanzania yamfuna, i-deal yacollapse. And then yena wakhipha i-statement futhi wathi i-team yase-France iyamfuna uNtwari. Asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, i-team yase-France ngeke ihlule ukukhipha kuma-5-6 million rands phela for goalkeeper. I mean akusina million for bona leyo mali leyo, akusina million, akusina 500,000 euros leyo mali leyo. So I mean mawubheka overall angazi noma uyamarketa noma wenzani, but nasi statement sakhe uyaqhubeka laphana uthi-ke it's good mawubona let's say abo-goalkeeper abawu-3 aba-very good, uthi instead yena ubona u-goalkeeper oyi-1, uthi it's difficult to say lento lena ayicabangayo because of uprotector u-goalkeeper wakhe. Asisizame bafethu le statement, uthi uNtwari u-better than o-goalkeeper abawu-2 laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, which is uPeterson, uVuma. I-statement sakhe lapho, ngoba uma ngingasifunda nge-English uthi it's good when you have 3 very good goalkeepers instead of 1. It's difficult for me to say what I think, maybe because I want to protect my goalkeeper. And uthi also ufuna ukurespecta i-club which is i-Kaizer Chiefs ne-decision yabo coach laphana nabo goalkeeper coach laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. The statement is straight, uNtwari i-best according to yena i-best goalkeeper laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and it's said ukuthi yena ahlaliswe ebhentshini ahlaliswe uPeterson. Okay, asingene kulento le kaNtwari kancane before simove. uNtwari ugood in terms of ukuba ugoalkeeper bafethu, angifuni ukuqamba manga, siyazi wenza amaphutha against iBafana Bafana, but ngingasho ukuthi unama moments wakhe ke. I wouldn't say he's the best goalkeeper ku-Kaizer Chiefs, because I remember this one time ucoach Nabi ethi i-level yo-goalkeeper be-Kaizer Chiefs iyafana. That is why bona bebavimbisa uVuma baphinde bavimbisa uPeterson. Unumber 1 we-Kaizer Chiefs like undisputed number 1 asimazi. Lo uPeterson uvimba ngoba unama-clean sheet, uqale kahle isizini, not based on ukuthi is number 1 in terms of i-talent nama-reflexes inini. Siyamazi uPeterson bafethu, simbukele for sometimes, mazi kahle. So but-ke I won't focus on ama-negatives kaPeterson. But i-statement, I think ezinye amanye ama-statements bafethu are-reckless, especially ashiwo o-coach, because o-coach bathola i-media buzz enkulu uma bakhuluma iy'tatement ezinjena bafethu, ukuthi u-goalkeeper wakhe u-better than abanye bo-goalkeeper, but aka-understand ukuthi why angavimbi. But-ke konke bafethu loko okwakhe. So asimuveni kule nto le kaNtwari bafethu, ngeke sihlale kuyo phela the whole day. I-team le yodlala i-AC Simba ezodlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu icela i-country yonke noma i-province yonke laphana eCongo ukuthi basapothe bafethu, njengoba ba-prepare for ukudlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs ku-CAF Confederations Cup. Bazimisele ngempela, bayafuna ukuyiwina le game against i-Kaizer Chiefs. So i-president yakhona noma i-vice president yakhona bafethu, uChristian Mwanda, ubize ama-supporters laphana ukuthi beze in big numbers. Uthe le game against Kaizer Chiefs yaSaturday bafethu akusiyi just igame, i-historical moment for i-club yabo and for i-province yonke bafowethu. Uthi ucela wonke ama-supporters laphana, uthi i-presence yama-supporters they have to come out like in big numbers or in massive numbers, bagqoke u-red and white, and uthi let's make our voices heard. Kusho ukuthi kusho ukuthi bangumsindo kakhulu, ba-create let's say i-hostile environment for i-Kaizer Chiefs, a sort of intimidation. So uthe leli phupho labo njengoba liqhubeke lase-Afrika, uthi-ke mabangahlangana bonke, uthi nothing is impossible, so bangakwazi ukuli-achieve le phupho leli labo bafowethu. So siyabona ukuthi i-president yeSimba, AS Simba laphana eCongo, ithatha serious kangakanani i-match ye-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi bafuna uku-make sure ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs bayayishaya ngoba bayafuna ngempela ukuwina, ngoba uyasho ukuthi asisapoteni le team le ukuthi ikwazi ukuwina. Uyazi ukuthi i-historical moment, especially because bona akusiyi team enkulu laphana elokhunjana eCongo bafethu. They are not one of the biggest teams eCongo. The biggest teams eCongo i-AS Vita ne-TP Mazembe. Those are the biggest teams eCongo, but this time around bona bawina i-FA Cup yalaphana kuphi eCongo. That is why bakwazile ukuqualify to i-Continental Showpiece. That is why bethola kule space lesaba kuso namhlanje. So i-Kaizer Chiefs akumelanga iye lapha icabanga ukuthi kuzoba igame elula, kuzoba igame enzima kakhulu. Already mabakhuluma ne-media laphana abaphathi bamisele kakhulu ukuthi bafuna ukuyibhaxabula i-Kaizer Chiefs. So sobona ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izozimisela kanjani, but they have to expect i-aggression to the highest level, nama-mind games amaningi ukuthi baba-frustrate ezi-Kaizer Chiefs. So bona i-game plan ye-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi mabaya kuleya game leya, mabefika the first whistle, ukuthi i-game plan yabo yini, because with Kaizer Chiefs will never know i-game plan ngempela ukuthi yini bafethu. So i-match yakhona izoqala ngo-3 Saturday ngo-3 o'clock, and then the saddest part, I don't know if izinto zizotshintsha, but ngikhulumile ngayo ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs igame yakhona ngeke i-broadcast-iwe, ngeke siyibone igame yakhona ukuthi ihamba kanjani. Confirm i-page le-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu akusiyimi, unless if izinto ziyatshintsha, because kunokushiwo izinto ezikanje and then izinto zishintsha, thola ukuthi last minute they agree on ama-terms. Sifisela inhlanhla i-Kaizer Chiefs, ngeke kube lula bafethu, kuzoba nzima kakhulu. Angifuni ukungena kumphathi we-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, uDr Kaizer Motaung, ubonge ama-supporters laphana we-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi abantu ababaluleke kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ama-supporters, yibo abenza lento le, yibo abenza i-Kaizer Chiefs ibe yilento eyiyo namhlanje. So uthi-ke kumele babonge kuma-supporters because of i-brand ye-Kaizer Chiefs ilento. Uthi they cannot be la bakhona without ama-fans overall. Yeah, I mean, this is true. I think people are crazy about Kaizer Chiefs, they love it. So without ama-fans e-Kaizer Chiefs ayikho at all. Lento ekuthiwa i-Kaizer Chiefs without ama-fans ayikho bafethu. So ama-fans, they are the soul and the heart and soul of this team. This team is not doing well, but the fans will always be there. This team finished number 9, qualify for MTN 8 2 seasons kulandelana bafethu, but still the fans are there. They showing their undying support. They are bragging online. They might lose, let's say 2 games, 3 games, but guess what? Maybe win a game, eyodwa baya celebrate laphana elikini. So I mean, it shows for bona, for abantu abaningi Kaizer Chiefs impilo yabo. I remember a few weeks back I was watching this interview, ifan lithi i-Kaizer Chiefs, it's their love of their lives, whatever. Statement sakhona besisho kanjalo from lela fan leli, ukubonisa ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs bayithanda kanjani abantu. Abanye abantu, when I watch ama-interviews wabo or when I interact with them laphana e-stadium, bathi baney'nkinga ey'ningi from la bahlala khona or whatever. So ukuya kubo e-stadium, bobuke ukusuka kubo, noma ngithi ukusuka kwabo e-stadium ukuthi bobukela i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu into enkulu for bona. They get to forget about so many things. That is why they are behind the Kaizer Chiefs. And kune-moment ngise-Orlando Stadium, I think was early this year, Orlando Pirates mayidlala neBaroka laphana ku-Nedbank Cup, ngasikhathi ubani Mabasa ashaya i-hat-trick. Ngi-interview ifan le-Kaizer Chiefs, lo baba ungitshela ukuthi sekana-52 years. Ngihlezi ngisho lento le nokuyiphinda vele isikhathi esiningi. Una-52 years asupport i-Kaizer Chiefs. So but aka-give up at all. Uhlezi ane-hope because ubone ama-different generations of i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, if waqala ukusupport i-Kaizer Chiefs ngabo 1970 something, Imagine bafowethu, so akayindawo lo muntu lo. Ubone ama-glory days, ubone ama-setbacks, ubone everything, ubone i-identity ye-Kaizer Chiefs yangempela, ubone o-Doctor Khumalo, ubone o-Ace Khungwayo, ubone ubone everything bafowethu. Yeah, Ace Khungwayo or Ace Hlongwane, loyo baba lo washona kodwa I remember namaphaso wakhe, but I didn't get to watch him mina because udlale way before my time. But ngingambona semdala edlala kuma-Phillies games, kule game, kunama-game lawa ama-legend, ukuthi bekane-character elinjani lo baba loya. What a great man. Even when I spoke to him beyahlezi eyihlekela, enza ama-jokes njalo around abantu. So maningi ama-legends we-Kaizer Chiefs mubheka overall laphana ayishape-ile i-Kaizer Chiefs, akhulisa le brand. But ayikhulise kanjani? Because of ama-fans bewa at the forefront of yonke lento le bafowethu overall. Kaizer Chiefs-ke sithemba ukuthi nabo they have to reciprocate phela ilokhu njani ama-fans ukuthi ukuthi ama-fans ayabasapota, they have to give back to ama-fans with what? With ama-good results, ukuthi babajabulise laphana. Yeah, enye team yase-South Africa bafethu, iMamelodi Sundowns ezodlala laphana eNigeria, izodlala ne-Remo Stars, seyilendile laphana, big news. Izodlala laphana, iMamelodi Sundowns yena izodlala Sunday ngo-5 o'clock laphana bafethu. So bamisele kakhulu abafana abadlala laphana ku-Remo Stars. Iplayer lakhona uLeonardo Ngeh ukhulumile-ke ne-media ukuthi prepared for a challenge eMamelodi Sundowns. Obviously iMamelodi Sundowns ngeke kube easy. I don't see i-team yaseNigeria ishaya iMamelodi Sundowns, there's no way bafethu, but-ke izinto zinokwenzeka sometimes, but I don't see it. Nayo amagama we-player bafethu, uthi they are looking forward kule match lena ye-CAF Champions League against i-Sundowns. Lentwana lena 17, but ikhuluma ngathi okay, but asingene no-statement sakhe. Uthi-ke le i-great opportunity for yena from i-club no-coach laphana. Uthi they are all up for it. Uthi we have our hearts and mind together. Uthi-ke ku-positive laphana nje i-team spirit, uthi bafuna ukuwina, bathi bayi-Remo Stars bona bazosebenza together and they intend to take i-win against iMamelodi Sundowns. Njengoba ithi ngibuyele kule nto le, una-17 lo muntu lo, ubonisa i-confidence enkulu ukuthi they are going to the game understanding what they need to do, what's at stake laphana against iMamelodi Sundowns, which is not going to be an easy thing ukuthi bathole ama-results against iMamelodi Sundowns. But-ke you need ama-players afana nalawa bafethu, ama-players ongena egamini or egamini noma understand the magnitude of the game, ukuthi i-game inkulu kangakanani, but baya egamini overall laphana babhiliva ukuthi bazowina. I mean una-17, mara kodwa-ke uthola ukuthi akanawo no-17 because of siyayazi iminyaka yebhola, but bayabhiliva ukuthi bazowina. Izolo ngikhulume ngayo lento le ukuthi already bakhiphe amathikithi awu-10,000 or so kule ground le yabo encane, ukuthi abantu beze mahhala bagcwalise i-stadium, nabo ba-create a-frantic environment for iMamelodi Sundowns, or hostile environment, ngisho kanjalo, ngiyibeke kanconywana. So sobona ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns izodlala kanjani. But yeah, I think mentally they are fit, they are strong. Bheka nje ama-player weMamelodi Sundowns adlalile Bafana, they are used to lama-environment wase-Africa bafethu. Kudala badlala Nigeria, so they know what's to expect there. They know what they have to do to deliver. They used to lama moments lawa. They were built for lama moments lawa. For me, there's no chance Remo Stars shaya Mamelodi Sundowns. I see Mamelodi Sundowns score 2 goals, but at the same time, Mamelodi Sundowns i-fluidity yakhona ayikho, iyashoda bafowethu, because ngishilo ukuthi they have the best striker in the country, Reiners, onenkinga. I think bathi une-chest infection or so bedila nayo. I don't think travel with the team, but-ke if utravelile ne-team okay sharp, kusho ukuthi uzokwazi ukudlala, but-ke I don't think utravelile ne-team ngathi, ngoba amanye ama-report bathi uzobuya second leg, but sobona angazi bafethu, I'm not confirming ukuthi akekho. Sibafisela inhlanhla nabo ukuthi bakwazi ukubuya ne-win or nalo draw babathole-ke, so babona return leg ngapha eSouth Africa overall. So ne-Orlando Pirates nayo-ke bafethu ilaphana iyodlala neLupopo, yeah, neLupopo laphana is it Congo? Yes, iCongo. U-coach ocoach-a laphana iChippa United owayi-coach-a uyasho ukuthi kuzoba nzima kakhulu for Orlando Pirates bafethu, i-environment nabo izoba hostile futhi bazodlalela kuma-artificial pitch. So ama-ground wakhona akusiyo ama-ground a-right obvious for i-Orlando Pirates because bona bajwayele ama-ground a-straight for as i-Orlando Pirates. But uthi i-stadium sizobe sigcwele kakhulu. Uthi if u-right i-first game la kuzoba kuyi-first game for laphana kuLupopo. Uthi ngeke kube lula for i-Orlando Pirates. Uthi mawuya laphana uthola ama-positive results kunzima. Uthi i-stadium-ke sizobe sigcwele, ama-fans-ke yibo azoba aphusha ngempela i-team laphana behind the team. Uthi also obvious i-pitch yakhona i-different, ne-environment i-different, kuzoba bit hostile for Orlando Pirates. Kusho ukuthi iLupopo i-positive ukuthi ingakwazi nayo ukuthola ama-results against Orlando Pirates, but-ke not this Orlando Pirates. I don't, in fact, I don't see Mamelodi Sundowns ne-Orlando Pirates ba-loser away. The worst ma-results abangawathola bangathola ama-draws, but there's no way baluza bafethu. Kuthiwa ama-fans-ke weLupopo bafethu, it's not just nje ama-fans kuphela, but-ke i-passion nomsindo walaphana, zonke lezo zinto zokwenza igame ye-Orlando Pirates ibe difficult kakhulu. Orlando Pirates inama-superstars nama-super talent but sometimes the-element of luck iyafuneka. Uthola ukuthi i-team iba nenhlanhla nje ukuthi ishaye Orlando Pirates, but yeah, I don't think at all bafethu ukuthi leya team ine-chance against the-Orlando Pirates. Angifuni ukuqamba amanga. I don't see them at all bashaya i-Orlando Pirates. I don't know much about them, but oh wait, no. Yeah, I don't know much about them in terms of like yes, history yako-African football, cause I think lento le icishe ifane nalento le ye-Stellenbosch, ukuthi iStellies nasangithi siyodlala i-continental football. Akekho umuntu o-expecta ubeka on the continental stage eseyabo uZamalek ukuthi beba-expect ukuthi khona i-team yase-South Africa iStellenbosch singabashaya. Uthola ukuthi i-team iphefoma kahle kakhulu bafethu laphana locally, just that ku-continental level ayinawo leyo nhlanhla leyo ukuthi ifike. Even locally like yabona iSikhukhune United if isilele bebosithatha kancane if idlala ku-continental level, kanti abazi ukuthi iSikhukhune United adlali bafethu. So I mean ku-continental level akukho nzima ngalowo ndlela. I think mentally if you are fit and ready ungakwazi ukucompete. I mean iStellenbosch sifike ku-final bafethu, sifike ku-final ye-CAF Confederations Cup. Kaizer Chiefs izohlulwa no, if sifike ku-semi-final man, Kaizer Chiefs izohlulwa yini ukufika ku-final or ukufika kuma-group stages-ke at least ngeke ihluleke. But-ke konke kulele kubo ukuthi babe strong mentally bakwazi ukudeliver for i-team yabo. Ngizokha nje phezulu, ukhona i-player-ke bedlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs namaZulu, I think wadlala nema-Respect United, uKeegan Buchanan or Buchanan, I can't remember ukuthi isename yakhe bebayipronounce kanjani. Se-announcile laphana online platform ukuthi uya-retire at the age of 33. Cabanga bafethu, kwaba khona Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, I think ladlale kahle kangcono udlale kuma-Respect United for mina, ngambona kuma-Respect United, but something he was lacking just aggression. He was a good midfielder, but be-cheesy kakhulu, sense of aggression beyingekho that much. Italent belikhona, but-ke that aggression yiyo into emenza embeke la khona namhlanje ukuthi maybe useya-retire at the age of 33. Uyazi umuntu ofana oloku ene-potential ukuthi is promising, but akaze a-explode sambona ukuthi yabo ukuthi uya-explode ngempela. Like he was different compared to George Maluleka. UGeorge Maluleka, you could see ukuthi okay, the talent is there, and then also the hard work is there. The sense of urgency will be there when it's needed. So yena bekaleka nje izinto ezifew mfowethu, but he was talented masimbona overall. Yeah, before ngiyivala bafethu, ngithanda ukuthi nje ngibafisela inhlanhla wonke ama-team awu-4 wase-South Africa. Oh manish, why ngikhohlwa ne-team iStellenbosch naso bafethu siyodlala i-Equatorial Guinea ku-continental level. They are back to ku-CAF Confederations Cup la Norway's bafethu. No, kanti bayodlalaphi labantu kahle kahle laba ku-Stellenbosch abaye cause ngibone online laphana ku-page labo bebaphoste i-Equatorial Guinea, but let me just check fast ukuthi bodlala kuphi singasho into e-wrong bafowethu. Yes, bodlala i-Equatorial Guinea laphana ku-Stellenbosch. I don't think it's gonna be a difficult game for them. Equatorial Guinea bafile ngebhola, ngifuna ukungasho hhayi bafile ngebhola kule country le, especially locally, and nezinto on the ground azikho right, but maybe ibhola it's their escape kwabanye abantu laphana, so they will try and fight, but I don't see them beating i-team efana ne-Stellenbosch, but amanye ama-team angakusurprise. Let's just wait and see sibone ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani. Ngiwafisela inhlanhla wonke ama-teams ayi-4 wase-South Africa ku-continental level. This team awu-2 CAF Confederations Cup, Kaizer Chiefs ne-Stellenbosch, then awu-2 aku-CAF Champions League, Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe.